Up to 57% of the adult population may experience tooth sensitivity. You might experience it at any point in your lifetime. If you experience sensitivity, you'll know that eating or drinking may trigger painful sensations, particularly when the item is hot, cold, or sweet. You may also experience painful sensations when brushing or breathing cold air. Sensitivity occurs when gums recede, uncovering parts of your teeth that aren't protected by enamel. Certain foods or harsh brushing can also wear away the protective enamel. The tooth layer under the enamel is called dentin. Dentin contains thousands of open microscopic tubules that lead to sensitive tooth nerves. When the exposed dentin comes into contact with something hot, cold, or sweet, sensations are carried through these microscopic tubules, stimulating the nerves and causing painful sensitivity. Preventing tooth sensitivity begins with good oral hygiene. Brush and floss regularly and carefully with a soft bristle brush. Moderating your intake of acidic items like soda can also help keep your enamel strong. If you suffer from sensitivity, speak with your dentist. You may benefit from a treatment containing ProArgin technology. This new breakthrough technology works by sealing the open microscopic tubules that lead to the nerves. Sensitivity is a condition that can be relieved. Ask your dentist.